In this lesson, we are going to make a cursor that we later animate in After Effects. Go to File, New. Make the width 300 pixels and the height also 300 pixels. Leave the color mode in RGB and call the document Mouse and create. Zoom out a little. With the rectangle tool, make a square that's 120 by 120 pixels. So my square has a white fill and a black stroke. Align the square to the artboard as we learned how to do in the first lesson. Move it up while pressing Shift so it moves in a straight line. Grab the Direct Selection tool and click on this anchor point. Press Shift and drag to the left. The Smart Guide will help me know where the center is. If your Smart Guides aren't activated, just go to View, Smart Guides or press Ctrl U on your keyboard. Press P on your keyboard to select the pen tool. When I hover over an anchor point with the pen tool, see how this minus appears. Click on it, and now we have a perfectly proportionate triangle. Create another rectangle with a width of 15 pixels and a height of 60 pixels. And we'll place it in the middle of the triangle with the help of the Smart Guides. Now select both shapes and click on Unite in the Pathfinder. With the Direct Selection tool, click on this anchor point and press Shift to click on the one on the opposite side. Press the up arrow to move them to about here. With our object selected, use the Rotate tool. Rotate the cursor 45 degrees. Let's change the stroke weight to 2.3 and align to the artboard. Go to File, Save As. That's our cursor finished. In our next lesson, we'll start to animate the pieces of our icon.